Web design is broken. Let's get into this one. Form, function. How it looks, how it works. So I'm going to break it down for you today and show you why, if you focus on how it works, what it does, and how it makes people feel, then how it looks is kind of by the by. Okay. So this is the number one thing that I see people getting hung up on when they're buying websites is how it looks. They want to jump straight into the mock-ups, straight into the visuals. And this is always 100% of the time going to produce a really bad website. I mean, it might be pretty and it might make people go, ooh, wow, ah. It's not gonna make them connect with you as a business. It's not gonna drive them to whatever your most desired action is. Buy my product, sign up to my mailing list, you know, join my calls, whatever it might be. Now, what this isn't is an argument to say, hey, looks don't matter. Of course they matter, but you're a business. You've got to be thinking about it from the business point of view. Unless you're running a modeling agency, you wouldn't just hire someone based on their looks. Your competition aren't successful because they've got the best looking sales team in the county. It's because of how they work as a business and how they make their customers feel, how they connect with those customers. Ask yourself this question. Would you rather have a beautiful website or a website that works like Google? Would you rather have something just jaw-droppingly Would you rather have something that's jaw-droppingly beautiful or something that works with the magic and the power of Google? 100% of people would rather have a website that works like Google than have a website that's beautiful. But think about if I was sat down in front of you and we'd got to the stage of mock-ups and I was like, okay, right, I've got a couple of concept designs for you, and I pull out this thing and I'm like, okay, well, look, so we've got the logo here, front and center, nice and big, and then we've got this magical search box which answers any question you ask it. Do I get the job? You would laugh me out of the room. But they trained us successfully how to use it, and it worked beautifully, and it made you feel good about it because you could just ask Google anything and it came up with a response. Let's take Amazon as well. Oh my, have you seen the Amazon homepage? I mean, it's almost like Jeff Bezos sat down and said to his design team, I want you to use all the pixels. There is no space to breathe, and they've put all of the products there in one spot. Honestly, if my designer turned around to me and said, hey, I'm working on this concept for a new e-commerce, I would be like, take the rest of the day off, and maybe we're working you a bit too hard, because that looks like someone threw up an Argos Superstore. But it works. You can find absolutely anything that your little heart desires, and it will be with you the next day. Like, they made it work, then they made it feel good. There's a 3-stage process to launching any business, any service, any product. It goes like this. Step 1, make it work. That is the most important thing. You're a non-starter if what you're promoting doesn't work. If it doesn't work, no one's gonna buy it. You know, even if the concept doesn't work, you know, if you're doing like minimum viable product, like even if the concept doesn't work, no one's gonna buy it. So step 1, make it work. That is first and foremost. Step 2, make it feel good. Once you've got it working, you've got to make it feel good. You've got to make people want to use it. If it works and it feels good to use, then people will forgive how it looks. This has been done so many times. Going back to the Google example, it looks pretty utilitarian. It's pretty basic. For years, they just had the basic browser blue color for their links, and everything was really super basic, but it was so easy to use. It was so hard to screw up using Google. So much tech is so easy to screw up using. Google, how can you get using Google wrong? You just type what you think and it gives you what it knows. The experience is so rewarding with Google when you actually find what you were looking for in the first place. Step 3, now make it look good. Because you've got it working, people love using it, now you can actually focus on, well, how do we make it visually more appealing? How do we enhance the experience? Companies like Facebook, Amazon, Twitter, Google, whoever you want to throw in there, like, that's why they win, because they make it work, they focus on how it makes you feel, and then making it look good that's the icing on the cake. These same rules apply to your business, to your organization. When you're buying a website, focus on what you want it to do, focus on how you want people to feel when they use it, and then making it look good is the icing on the cake. I am Aaron Taylor. I'm helping you make better decisions and have better conversations when you are buying a website. Till next time.